How to use Buzz app. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open the Buzz app. Now tap on next. Now you can choose either your phone number or email. Now click on verify. Now enter the 6-digit verification code. Now enter your name and tap on next. Now choose your username. Click on save and tap on next. You can choose to add a profile picture or tap on skip. Now allow all the permissions. Tap on next. Now you can share the link from here to add friends and chat with them. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question want to search topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.